This is YFM-300SCA-C, the auto yarding machine by computer control with the bobbin cylinder control. Now we are going to test this machine and teach you how to operate this machine. First of all, please switch on the machine's power and please open the security cover. And now we need to put the bobbin into the machine. This is the bobbin cylinder, okay? And you have two choices to make the cylinder working. This one, the bobbin cylinder button, or by full switch. So we press the bobbin cylinder button, you will see the bobbin cylinder will move back, okay? And you can put the bobbin into the machine. You can see the bobbin with the hose, and here is fixing screws. So you need to make the screw match the hole. After that, you can press the full switch to make the cylinder move forward. Alright, so you can use the full switch or button to control this cylinder. So once the bobbin is ready, we need to put the zipper into the machine. And you can see, this is the tape. The right side with the feeder coat, the left side is flat. Okay, and here you can see this is the guiding part. The middle has a device. Okay, it's a volt nut. So you need to make the tape get through here. So you need to put the tape get through here. And then put the zipper tape into the machine according to this direction. Okay, so you can see the wheel with the groove, okay? So you need to make the feeder coat get into the groove. This is the material sensor. If the machine has no tape, it will make the lights will become red and make the machine stop. And here is the nut sensor, okay? If there is any nuts, it will make the stick move forward, okay? Moves up to make the sensor on and make the machine stop. So before you start the machine, please make sure the zipper goes through like this way. And there is the slide rail motor. It's controlling the counting device, move left and right, okay? So normally you need to make this device to this side or another side to reach the sensor lights on, because we need to make a winding with this side or with that side. So now we move to another side to show you how it works. You press the button and it will move, okay? You need to move to one side and until it stopped. Okay, it stopped. And you can see the light is also on. So you can put the tape into the machine bobbin. You need to pull and turn one round to make the tape fix on the bobbin. So now it's ready. And we are going to make a setting. You can press units. You can choose you want meters or yard. Okay, now we choose meter and press unit. And how many meters you want to make winding? Now we set up 730 meters. And slow speed, we set up 5 meters. It means once it reaches the 730 meters, before that, 5 meters will become slow speed. Let's find adjustment. Normally we set up 0. If you edit 1, it means 100 meter. We need to edit 10 centimeter. Okay? This is just for small adjustment for the widening length. And the actual length, now we make a 0.3 meter. We need to reset. Okay? We need to reset to be 0. And then we can start the machine. So we need to close the security cover. And then we need to press the start. The machine will be auto running. At the beginning will be slow speed, and then after that will become quick speed. Okay, now you can see there is the nuts. All right, so we need to release the nuts, and you can see the alarm shows on the screen, and you just reset the alarm and press start again. And you can see, once you reach the setting quantity, the speed will get slow. So now the speed gets slow. Alright? And there's no material sensors on. It means there's no material. And you just press the set. So we set up the 730, the actually is 728.6 meter. All right. And now we need to take out the bobbin. So open the security cover. All right. And press the switch. So you can turn more and make the tape comes out. If you have a tape, all right, you just make it fix, and you can see now we make the tape comes out and it still make counting. So now it reached the 730 meters. So we just press the reset button, and now we need to take out the bobbin. So we press the full switch and make a cylinder, take it back and take out the bobbin. All right, and you can see here has setting, and you can press the local time to set up the time from here. Total quantity is your winding quantity. You can reset from here. And the slide rail length 250 millimeter. This setting is just protect if the sensor has damaged. This counting device will not damage the rail. Okay, so the distance between two sensors around 250 millimeters. So we set up 250 millimeters. It depends on the two sensors distance. And the slide rail left and right induction delay time, we set up 2. It means the 0.02 second. It means once the counting device reach the sensor, it will delay 0.02 second and move to another side. We can press the password A008, enter, and you can see the low level password is 686, the high level password is A008, and the start speed of the slide rail motor 180. Is because of the bobbin motor start to run with a slow speed and then get quicker. So we need to make the counting device, the encoder device, also with the slow speed at the beginning. So we make 180 speed with the 15. Okay, this is the start delay time. Normally these two you don't have to set up. This one always fixed. 15, it means 0.15 second. All right, and the fast speed setting of the slide rail motor is the running fast speed. This one we set up 500. It's according to this bobbin speed. The bobbin speed set up from this frequency controller. Now we set up frequency is 50. If you adjust the speed, okay, if you adjust the speed here, also need to be adjusted. All right, so this one, the slide rail speed should be match this speed, bobbin speed. And the slow speed setting of the slide rail motor. Now we set up the 250. Both of them never change. Okay, this is the internal setting. And if you change this one, you need to change the frequency controller also, the speed. And the low bevel. The encoder counting. We set up the -2. This one is according to when you turn 1 meter, and the encoder data need to reduce or increase. This is internal setting. Okay, so now we set up this -2. Okay, so you can see if we turn the encoder, a counting will be moved. So just check. This is the encoder data. All right, so the encoder is running or no running is set up from here. And encoder inductive delay time, normally we set up to 100. If the encoder, the wheel is running, the encoder is no running, after 10 seconds, this one is 10 seconds, machine will be stopped because the encoder has damaged. All right, and this one is encoder counting. So when you make the wheel running, the encoder will be running. Okay, we go back to the main screen. If machine has any problem, the alarm review will show you where's the problem and what time happened. Okay, and here is the PLC program number. The PLC program number is here. If the PLC is damaged in the future, you need to tell us the PLC program number. And this is the step motor setting. If the alarm light is on, the machine will have a problem. You need to fix this driver or change the new one. And here is the sensor for the slide rail, right side and the left side. Okay, so you can adjust the screw to adjust the limited, but now no need to adjust because we already fixed. Above Meso is teaching you how to operate this machine, and we finish machinery testing.